Here's your top 5 mistakes dump truck operators make that put them out of business. Number 1, not understanding your operating costs. You have to know how much it costs to put your truck out on a job per day. You have to know how much it's going to cost for fuel, how much it's going to cost for labor, how much it's going to cost for maintenance. You have to know how much it costs to operate your business if you send your truck on a job for a Monday or a Tuesday or a Wednesday. This allows you to know how much you can afford to take with your pricing. If it's $100 an hour, is it $120 an hour? What is your profit margin? That's how you can know by knowing your operating costs. Number 2, skipping preventive maintenance. This can cost you thousands of dollars because once one blunder happens, they just keep coming and keep coming and keep coming, and you just throwing money into a pit when all you had to do was get a preventive maintenance schedule and stick to it. Even when you feel like you don't need your truck greased, or you don't need to get an oil change, or you don't need to get anything adjusted, take it to your mechanic and stay on that schedule. Number 3, taking the wrong contract/jobs. Taking the wrong contract or jobs can put you in the red, and if you stay in the red too long, you'll be out of business. That's why knowing your operating costs is so essential to running a dump truck operation, because it allows you to know how much to price your jobs. Can I take that job for $85 an hour? Nah, that doesn't fit my margins. Can I take that job for $100 an hour? Yeah, we can profit with that. Number 4, ignoring safety and compliance. Safety and compliance. You can get put out of service, you can get fined heavily, you can have your truck out of order for months or weeks, whatever the DOT deems. This can cost you a lot of money. You do not want to play with safety and compliance. Number 5, underestimating the power of networking. This is how you get contracts. This is how you get business. This is how you maneuver in the dump truck space. It's different from the 18-wheeler. 18-wheeler, you can hop on a load board. Dump trucking, you have to build relationships. You have to know contractors. They have to know you as well. So relationship building, networking is very, very, very important in dump trucking. These are our top 5 mistakes to stay away from if you want to have a profitable dump truck business.